Now, while the exit polls, the Gulistan exit polls have predicted that it's going to be a hung assembly in the valley, the NC and the Congress have not issued any official statement as to whether they will be tying up with any other political party or whether there's going to be, whether there will be independents who will be roped in if they form the government. It's even said that the NC has not officially though been trying to communicate with the PDP to form government, that is if the NC and the Congress win the elections and that the results are in the favor of the two parties.
Giving away the party's post-poll plans on the eve of the result day in the valley, National Conference Supremo Farooq Abdullah claimed to have locked the support of the Mehbooba Mufti-led PDP. As the valley awaits the results, the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister said he will take the support of the PDP even if he doesn't need it. He said the National Conference needs to carry all like-minded parties along to save Jammu and Kashmir.
मैं आपसे कहता हूं, अगर हमें जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी हम तब भी लेंगे, क्योंकि अगर हम लोगों ने चलना है इकट्ठे चलना है। इस रियासत को बचाने के लिए हमने सबने कोशिश करनी है। ये बड़ी मुश्किल में है ये रियासत और काम बड़े सख्त है।
Farooq's loaded remark comes after most exit poll projections pointed to a hung house in the valley, while putting the National Conference Congress alliance slightly ahead in the race for the assembly. However, none of the exit poll projections gave a clear majority to any of the contesting parties. In another intriguing development ahead of the result day, Aslam Ghoni of the Ghulam Nabi Azad-led DPAP met Farooq, setting off buzz of a switch. The BJP, meanwhile, claimed it would form the government with the support of independents.
मुझे विश्वास है कि बीजेपी सबसे बड़े दल के रूप में जम्मू कश्मीर में उभर कर आएगी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी और बीजेपी के समर्थन से जो इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स चुनाव लड़े हैं वो जीत के आएंगे और हम मिलकर सरकार बनाएंगे।
Ahead of the result day in the valley, Union Home Minister Amit Shah went into a huddle with top party leaders for a key strategy meet.
Then Farooq Abdullah today said that the Jammu and Kashmir has been deep in the troubles for the last 10 years. We all should work together to take the J&K and its people out of this. He is happy to have an alliance with the PDP. He has accepted the offer wholeheartedly. But then we are seeing another punchline coming from the PDP this time. Iltija Mufti has come out openly saying that the PDP will wait for the results and then will align with the like-minded people or the like-minded party.
As the valley awaits its fate, it is to be seen how the stars align today.